Good afternoon everyone. I'm Sheena Barredo from Group 1 and today I'm going to discuss two national building codes of the Philippines. One is the electrical and mechanical regulations and second one is the prefabricated construction. Section 1301 for electrical regulations, I'm only going to focus my discussion on attachments on and clearances from buildings. So for this part of the code, an attachment plan approved by a professional electrical engineer shall cover power lines, cables, transformers, and other electrical equipment installed on or in buildings and shall be submitted to the local building official. So in Davao City, the Office of the City Building Official or OCBO is a local government office which implements regulations and requirements for the construction, alteration, repair, conversion, use, occupancy, and demolition of buildings. So this is an example of a clearance diagram of a building. As you can see, it has its necessary clearances on the different sides of the building. Section 1302 Mechanical Refrigeration and Air Conditioning. Under this code, I'm only going to focus on five rules. So one is the effective temperature and relative humidity of the air to be used for comfortable cooling shall be maintained at 20 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius and 50% to 60% respectively with 4.60 to 7.60 meters per minute air movement within the living zone. Water from evaporators, condensers, and other machinery shall be properly collected into a suitable water or drainage system. Ducts shall be constructed entirely of non-combustible materials such as steel, iron, aluminum, or other approved materials, and only fire-retardant lining shall be used on the inside of the ducts. Access doors shall be provided at all automatic dampers, fire dampers, thermostats, and other apparatus requiring service and inspection in the duct system. Fire doors and fire dampers shall be arranged to close automatically and remain tightly closed upon the operation of a fusible link or other approved heat actuated device located where readily affected by an abnormal rise of temperature in the duct. So lastly is the prefabricated construction. So what is prefabricated construction? It is the practice of assembling a variety of components of a structure at a manufacturing site and transporting those sub-assemblies to the location of the construction job site. Prefabricated construction is sometimes thought of as a low-end and mass-produced mode of construction. Prefabricated assembly is a structural unit, the integral parts of which have been built up or assembled prior to incorporation in the building. It shall be made of precast concrete or other construction materials acceptable to the architect or the engineer. Second is special tests are carried out by any accredited material testing laboratory in order to determine the structural adequacy, durability, soundness, weather, and fire resistance of prefabricated assemblies. Lastly, the anchorage and the connections between the members and the supporting structures of the framework or walls shall be capable of withstanding both probable external and internal forces or all other structurally suitable construction requirements. That would be all. Thank you.